Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for coming to the show today. So I want to do something different. I don't even know if it's going to work, but I got to try it. So I have this security camera for my house, but I want to put it up on the wall and it's magnetic, but my wall is not. So I want to make a little thing where I can mount that on a magnetic piece. So that's what we're going to try. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's do it. Okay guys, so for this project, I found this wooden coaster at the General Dollar, and you actually get two of them for like, I don't remember, $2.50 or $2 or something like that, I don't know. Anyways, it's perfect for the size of what I need. So I've got my white paint. You can use whatever color you want, but my walls are white. Well, they're actually like, I don't know, kind of a creamy white, I don't know, but this will work. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paint this, and we'll probably do one coat and see how that looks. Okay, so let's see how this dries. Actually, damn, that dries pretty fast. Oops. We could probably go ahead and do another round real quick. And then I think that's it. You know, I don't think it needs any more than that because, shit. Because I'm still gonna go over it with, I have like I think it's called a shimmer. Okay, so I'm just gonna let that dry, and then when we come back, we'll do the shimmer. Okay, so this is pretty much good to go, nice and dry. So I'm gonna go over it with this shimmer, whatever this is. Okay, so now we'll just let that dry. Probably have to do another coat of that too, but that's okay. So we'll be back in a minute. Okay, for your animal fact today, we're going to talk about the musk ox. These animals were one of the few that were able to survive the last ice age, so that is impressive, okay? They weigh up to 900 pounds, they live in Antarctica, and they have some really weird freaking eyes, all right? So they have horizontal pupils, and that is to help prevent the glare from the snow and the ice. So they need to be on the lookout all the time because, believe it or not, these big boys, they do have predators, and those predators are the grizzly bear and the Arctic fox. The Arctic fox? That little shit? Okay, news to me, would have never thought. Anyways, they're called the musk ox because when it is time for mating season, they put off this pheromone and it smells like musk. I'm sure it's disgusting, but those ladies like it, so we're not going to judge. Now, when they fight hard, so much so that God gave them a pocket of air between their brain and their skull, so when they're slamming up into each other, they don't squish their brains. Okay, so it's dry, and there you go. I don't know if you can tell that there's shimmer on there. So now that's done, and we want to take this little metallic disc and we're gonna glue it down. Sorry, I'm right-handed and I don't have enough cord, so I gotta be all weird about it. And just right in the middle. That is hot as shit. Holy hell. Ooh, buddy. All right, now, I got that little metal disc when I went to the Dollar Tree. I got one of those little things of magnets, you know, those little magnets like for the fridge. And that's what they were stuck on. I had 2 packs, so I have 2 pack. Anyways, so I have this other one that I can use on another project. Okay? So now, that's on there pretty good. Just gonna flip it over, and it's got the little feet, you know, because it's a coaster. And that's fine with me. I'm gonna leave that on there. Okay, so anyways, you flip it over, it's got these little feet on there because it's a coaster. And I'm gonna leave them there. Now you're gonna take, I'm sorry, my nail polish looks horrible, but anyways, you're gonna take this little, I don't know what you call this, picture hanger thing, and you can nail it on here if you want, but I'm not going to because it's late and my neighbor, I know he's gotta get up in the morning and I don't wanna be pounding on something and wake him up. So, I'm just gonna use my Gorilla Glue, oh Jesus, Gorilla Glue. And I'm gonna give it a good little squirt right there. And another, another good little squirt right there. Okay, great. Down it goes. And now we just wait a little bit until that's dry. But once it's done, we can mount the camera here, and then we got our little hooky, so we'll be able to hang it up on the wall, and it will be glorious. So, anyways, that was just a simple little project. I got the shit all over my hands. I don't know why I did that. Anyways, thank you for coming to the show. You guys know I love it. I appreciate it. And I hope you have a great day. And I want you to kick some ass out there, okay?